The guide to removing the training wheels. The only thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. When your child is ready to start riding their bike without the aid of training wheels, here's how to remove them. The training wheels are held in place by a tension clip, as seen here. Once the clip is pushed towards the bike, the training wheel will no longer be locked in place. Now, take a flathead screwdriver, insert the flathead into the outer wall of the bracket, make contact with the tension clip, then press the tension clip using the flatheads towards the body of the bike and pull down on the training wheel leg until it is removed. Don't forget to repeat this process for the opposite side. Once removed, your child can now ride their bike training wheel free.